Well, hello. Today I wanted to come with you with a little bit of a mindset tip for you. Okay. So, who's ready to just figure out how to start their day, how to make every day more productive and not feel like you're behind, and to stay in close proximity to your goal for whatever it is you're working for. This could be in business, it could be just a goal that you have in your lifestyle, it could be anything. And so, this is something that I wanted to share with you that was just kind of on my heart to share. And hopefully it blesses you in a way that inspires you to really just take the time to 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 slow down to speed up, so to speak. So if you have not read the book, The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod, I highly recommend that you get this book, because it is giving yourself a sense of winning on a daily basis. So not only can you achieve a certain level achieve something at a certain level, but you can also maintain and continue to grow. And so there are just little steps that you can take in the morning that will actually get you off to a great start. So the acronym is SAVERS, SAVERS. So the first one is S, and that stands for silence. So literally in the morning, the first thing you want to do is to be quiet, not too quiet that you fall back asleep, but you just want to just close your eyes and take a deep breath and say to yourself, light, love, abundance, and then slowly exhale, releasing any doubts, any fears, or any worries that you have. So do that with me right now, if you can. Just take a deep breath in, close your eyes, and breathe in and say to yourself, light, love, and abundance, and then slowly exhale, releasing with that exhalation any doubt, fear, or worry. Doesn't that feel good? So just imagine every day waking up like that. So the next letter is A in SAVERS. A stands for affirmations. So I have my affirmations written out, and I literally say them out loud. I also have them recorded to listen to as well. So kind of getting that audio portion into my brain, and then also just being able to write them out. And so I physically take a new piece of paper in a spiral notebook and actually write down, my affirmations and what things I'm grateful for as well. So that also helps me to kind of start out my day. And then I have my six most important things that I have to get done for that day. Now, the next letter is V. That stands for visualization. Visualization. Having a vision board is so important, and you got to keep it in front of yourself. So how many of you set a goal and have a vision of something that you want to do for yourself or accomplish for that month, and then by the end of the month you're like, what was my goal again? I don't even remember. You have to have a daily reminder. So V stands for visualization. And having a vision board with all sorts of different goals for yourself. It doesn't have to be monetary. It can be a vision of creating peace in your life, simplicity. It could be anything that you want to visualize that makes you feel good. Okay. So E is for exercise. So this one is actually getting up and getting your blood flowing. So, even if it's walking around your bed, just something to kind of get you up and get you moving and get your blood flowing a little bit. So you want to be running your day, not letting your day run you. Does anybody feel like that? Some days that your days kind of run you instead of you running your day? Well, this will help you. It's just sending that message to your brain, like, I'm ready for the day. I'm in charge, right? By getting up and just moving. And it doesn't have to be a marathon, go out and run for 10 miles. Just get up and move, bounce around, turn some music on, if that helps you, and just get your groove on. If you're an early morning exerciser, then go for it. I am not an early morning exerciser, just FYI. And then R is for reading. So reading, so this is SAVERS. We have the R now, reading, and this takes less than a minute. Just even if you have time to read a paragraph in a book that you've got that you're reading for the month or whatnot. What are you feeding your brain in the beginning of the month? What are you feeding your brain in the beginning of your day. That is huge. And then S, the last one is S, and that is for scribing. And scribing is also simply journaling. And so you can literally just write one sentence acknowledging what you're most grateful for that day. So you heard me earlier say I take a spiral notebook and I literally write down my affirmations. Then my scribing part of writing what I'm most grateful for, I'll write, at least 5 things that I'm grateful for that day, and then I have my 6 most important things to do list. So goal, affirmation, and then saying what you're grateful for. And so just doing that is kind of part of, you're getting affirmations in, you're probably getting even a little bit of visualization in there, and then also getting your journaling there and just saying what you're grateful for. You guys, the one thing that you can do to shift where you are energetically, if you're feeling like you're in a funky place, is just to start with being grateful, and literally just be grateful for the air that's around you, be grateful for the sun that's shining, be grateful that you have a roof over your head. I mean, you can get that basic just to kind of shift yourself into a place of gratitude, and that will shift your energy for the rest of the day. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you today for today's tip. Hey, being and feeling our best comes from not only looking and feeling our best with taking good care of our skin, but it's also taking care of our mindset and creating that whole of us, so we can go out into the world and just be our best selves. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. So tell me your takeaways in the comments. I'd love to hear, and I will catch you next time.